Good evening YouTube, hey John 3-1 here, making my unboxing video. In this unboxing video we're going to have this wonderful PS4 Slim limited edition Days of Play. Let's take a look at this. The packaging, it has a nice product shot here. Oh, look here, it has the description underneath here. Same product shot here. See the side, Oh, I don't want to see the serial number here. Ooh. And the contents here, we have PS4 console, DualShock wireless controller, mono headset, HDMI cable, AC power cord, USB cable, and printed materials. Alright, let's get to unboxing, shall we? Alright. Unbox slide like this. Oh! A box with a box inside of it. Look at that. There's a black one here. Nothing to see here. Let's unboxing again. Alright. Okay, let's check. Alright, let's take the console for later. Let's take a look at this beautiful Days of Play limited edition PS4 controller. Look at this. Nice. It has a nice color. My mom was in the background watching me filming. It has a nice gold printed the control symbols here. Very smooth. But one thing does have is a light highlighted on the controller. If I press the PS button like there, see? Unlike the standard one, you don't have the light highlight the touchpad. It runs very smoothly. I'll put this aside. Comes with an HDMI cable here. You can see right here. An adapter. Oh no, I don't think it's an adapter. It's a USB cord for the controller. Mono headset. I think this is the same design I have from the standard PS4. Here's the adapter right here. Look at this here. Alright, now say the best for last. Oh, hold up, we got some more here. We got a place to play catalog here. We got the instruction manuals here. You can see it here. Now, say the best for last. Come on. Woo! Put this aside. Put this aside. And feast your eyes on this. We have. Ooh. Take a look at this. This is the limited edition PS4 Slim game console. Look at this. Very blue. I like these PlayStation control symbols. It's gold printed. You look at here, you have a power button and an eject button. These CDs, this is where you put your CD here. And the two USB ports, but one would mention the standard one has two USB ports that was side to side, but this one has split apart. Has a nice exhaust grills here. You can see it right here to the side. This side here. And look here. I think this is where you insert the hard drive here. As you look in the back, we have more. I think Yeah, they have some PlayStation 4s written on it. No exhaust rails here, but I can see it visible. It comes with the adapter. This for the PlayStation 4 camera, the USB port, and the Ethernet cable. Oh, one more thing is this thing don't have no digital capacity output. But I have a size comparison with the standard PS4. And look underneath here. PlayStation 4 symbols and legs. You can see it here. Use it as legs right there. Yep, that's it for the PS4 Slim. So we'll be right back. We're going to show the size comparison with the standard PS4. One more mentioning that this is a warranty void sticker. So once you remove it, this PS4 has reached its warranty or something like that. Okay, here's the size comparison with my PS4 standard console. As you can see, this slim console is smaller than this console. So you can see if I look on top of each other, you can see I think it's a slightly smaller than this console. But one thing that I didn't notice, if you look in the back, right there, this standard vision has the digital out optical port right there. The slim one doesn't have one, so well, I had to get used to it anyway. Look at this. Oh, look at this symbols and moves here. Love it. I love this console. Uh-huh. Alright, we'll be right back. I'm going to set up the PS4. If you want to see the setup on the PlayStation 4 Slim Days of Play, check the links down below. Okay, I got my PS4 installed. I transferred it there, but unfortunately, I did something wrong here. I accidentally. I just don't understand how to transfer the another PS4. When I did, I pressed on the PS4 and altered to the PS. This PS4, I pressed in the transfer button, pressed the power button, and then it altered this old PS4. Oh man, my brother is gonna kill me for this. But the good news is the PS4 saved datas are inside my flash drive, so I think it's a good, not the end of the world here. Alright, I think I should do some experiment on this blue PS4 console. Okay, since I got a PS4 installed, now let's see this PS4 Slim Days of Play Limited Edition can play these three games here. I'm gonna play one by one. Alright, let's start with a PS3 game with Ninja Gaiden 3. Nope, I'm afraid. Can I play PS4 like this? Oh, that's kind of shocked. How about a PS2 game like Castlevania, Lament of Innocence? Nope. Doesn't work at all. How about PS1 game on the PS4 console, like my personal favorite video game, Mega Man X4? Okay, I guess my disc kinda dirty though. Okay, okay, that's it for the PS4 Slim Days of Play Limited Edition. I hope you love this video, because if you do, give a thumbs up to this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and follow me on Google+, Twitter, and Twitch. Until that, this is Ajon3 saying, later.